What's going on, curl friends? It's your girl Essencexoxo. First off, I want to say, if you're new to my channel, thank you so much for subscribing and tuning in. Literally, I get a notification every day like so and so has subscribed to your channel, and you're appreciated. And if you're coming back, welcome back. First thing I want to say is, if you're supporting the Black Lives Matter movement right now, thank you so much. Our lives matter, and it's important to get that word out there. And if you're not, go out there and try, sign a petition, call, write an email, post, do what you can do to help out. And that's on period. So anyway, we're gonna go right into it. So today I have these 3-week-old braids in. It'll be 4 weeks, of course, next week. But I got these 3-week-old braids in, and I didn't really want to take them out yet, but my roots are really scruffy looking. So I decided to take my braids and turn them into Faux locks. To do that, I will be using Jamaican braids hair. This is actually my first time ever doing this, so please don't judge me and I won't judge you. I'm getting my good sis Aaliyah to help me out to do this, and I believe it's her first time too. I'm not too sure. I'm all about learning and growth, figuring things out as I go. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video. I did cut my braids. They were longer at first, but I wanted like a cute little, I don't know, just a cute little. I just wanted something shorter. Yeah, thank you guys so much for tuning in. Go ahead and turn on those notifications, like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on those notifications, because y'all be acting like you don't see my video, and I know you see me seeing you. So turn on your notifications, and thank you so much for tuning in. See you guys next time.
Okay, so I know me, and I know I would not be able to cut my hair on my own, so I went ahead and got a little help. I really wanted to do a bob because I never actually had short braids or Faux locks before, so I just wanted to try something different. After cutting the braids, we did go in and burnt the tips. I decided to wash my hair before doing my Faux locks, and I just wanted to make sure that the tips were burnt and the braids were secure and would not come out.
Alright y'all, so I kind of got started already just because I needed to do a little practice round. Here's my good sis Aaliyah that I mentioned. Was going to help me out, and she also did a few practice ones, and they look really good so far. I do want to figure out how I can not get them to be so stiff, because see, yeah, I'm not trying to walk around with no stiff neck. But I'm going to go ahead and show you the process of it. I'm going to insert a voiceover.
To save time, instead of rebraiding my perimeter, I decided to go in with some jam and twist up my new growth. That way it'll just flow right into my Faux lock. When it comes to actually doing the lock, it's fairly easy. You are just going to place your hair over top of your braid, or however you have your hair styled currently. Hold one piece of the hair to the braid and wrap around with the opposite piece of hair. Now, I'm not gonna lie, my scalp was screaming. I'm super tender-headed, and I believe I did that lock way too tight, so I made sure I did not do the other locks that tight. My head was screaming. Now, if you start to run out of hair, you literally do the same process as if you're starting the dread. You take a piece of it, hold it down, and then wrap with the opposite piece of hair. Now, to secure your lock, you are actually going to take that same piece of hair that you're going down with. You are going to go upwards with it at least 2 times From there, you are going to burn the excess hair, then cut it. Or I also see people use super glue. I decided to not take that method, and I decided to just burn the tips. Here is when we try to get a little creative by adding braiding hair throughout a few of the locks so that we can go back and curl it to give it a cuter look. This is how the curls came out. I mean, I didn't really care for it, but I figured give it a few days, it'll look a little bit more natural. Okay, y'all, so here is the final. I really like it. I like the length. As you can see, I'm barely touching my head. Why nobody tell me I still gotta roll it in? Why nobody tell me I still gotta... Let's just act like that didn't happen, please. All in all, I really like it. It turned out super cute. I like the length. Clearly that thing hurt. That's why I'm barely touching my hair. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you guys next time.